Journey of Activation. Blizzard, from struggles to success. It all started in 1991 when two passionate gamers, Mike Morhaime and Alan Adam, founded Blizzard Entertainment. Their goal? To revolutionize the gaming industry. Early on, Blizzard faced numerous challenges. Financial constraints and market competition were intense. Their first few games struggled to gain traction, and it was a tough journey. Despite setbacks, Blizzard released Warcraft, Orcs and Humans in 1994, which became a massive hit, selling over 1 million copies. This success marked their first milestone. Then came the turning point. In 1998, StarCraft was launched. It sold 11 million copies worldwide, establishing Blizzard as a leader in the real-time strategy game genre. Fast forward to 2004, World of Warcraft changed the MMORPG landscape forever. With over 100 million accounts created, it became one of the best-selling PC games. In 2008, Activision merged with Blizzard, forming Activision Blizzard. This merger was valued at $18.9 billion, creating a powerhouse in the gaming world. From then on, they delivered hit after hit. Call of Duty, Overwatch, and Hearthstone continued to dominate the market, amassing millions of active players globally. As of 2023, Activision Blizzard boasts annual revenues exceeding $8 billion, with a workforce of over 10,000 employees. They continue to innovate and expand their gaming portfolio. If you enjoyed this journey through Activision Blizzard's history, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos. Stay inspired and keep gaming.